What is going on, guys? Joey here, and today I will be running a battery drain test on my iPhone 10 that I got from back market in fair condition, and to my surprise the phone came with a brand new Chinese battery. So I decided to test this new aftermarket battery and see how it performs. Let's charge the phone up to 100% and let's start the timer. The battery health is at 100%, brightness set to 45. After the first hour of playing GTA Vice City, we are at 87%. I ran a quick Geekbench score test, and next I will be scrolling TikTok. Let's go! After the second hour, the phone has 70%. And after exporting a short 5-minute 4K video, the battery percentage dropped from 70% to 66%. I will continue with YouTube now. Three and a half hours in, and I must say I'm pleasantly surprised with the battery performance. Let's continue with another Rockstar Games classic, GTA 3. The game crashed after 30 minutes of gameplay, guys, and we are at the 4th hour, which is quite impressive. But let's add one more online game into the test, which is Roblox. The phone is getting ridiculously hot, so I will stop the test here with 12% remaining. In conclusion, the aftermarket battery from Desay Corporation managed to perform quite well on my iPhone 10. The phone managed to last for almost 5 hours of non-stop usage, which is quite impressive for a 2700 mAh battery. A big shout out to Back Market for fitting the cheapest phone with a new battery. Don't forget to check out my full unboxing of this iPhone 10, and I'll catch you in the next video.